This is a complete beginner's guide on how to sell a small business share. Whether you are a first-time entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, selling a portion of your business can be a complex process. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll break down the steps to make selling your small business share a breeze. And if you watch this video to the end, I'll give you a website where you can find a potential buyer. Now let's break down the steps to make selling your small business a breeze in any country. Before diving into the process, it's crucial to understand why you want to sell your business share. Step 1. Understand your motivation. Before diving into the process, it's crucial to understand why you want to sell your business share. Are you looking for capital infusion, reducing risk, or exiting the business entirely? Clarifying your motivation will help guide your decisions throughout the process. Step 2. Evaluate your business. Next, assess the value of your business share. Consider factors like revenue, profits, assets, and market potential. You may want to consult with a financial advisor or business valuation expert to get an accurate assessment. Step 3. Prepare documentation. Gather all necessary documentation, including financial statements, legal agreements, and any relevant contracts. Having organized and up-to-date paperwork will streamline the selling process and instill confidence in potential buyers. Step 4. Find potential buyers. Now it's time to find potential buyers for your business share. This could include existing partners, investors, or external parties interested in acquiring a stake in your business. Utilize networking, online platforms, and professional connections to reach out to potential buyers. Step 5. Negotiate terms. Once you've identified interested parties, negotiate the terms of the sale. This includes determining the purchase price, payment structure, and any conditions or contingencies attached to the sale. Step 6. Close the deal. Finally, it's time to close the deal. Draft a formal agreement outlining the terms of the sale and ensure all parties involved understand and agree to the terms. Once everything is in order, complete the transfer of ownership and celebrate your successful sale. Now let's talk about how to find potential buyers of your shares. When searching for potential buyers for your small business share, online platforms can be invaluable resources. Websites like beesbuysell.com allow you to list your business shares for sale and connect with interested investors and buyers from around the world. When you come to the website, you can see different businesses available for sale, which means you can also post your own, like this people and a potential buyer will buy from you. If you want me to go deep on how to sell on this website, let me know in the comments box below. The platform provides a platform for showcasing your business strengths, financial performance, and growth potential, attracting serious buyers who are actively seeking investment opportunities. Additionally, don't overlook the power of social media and professional networking sites like LinkedIn. Utilize these platforms to reach out to potential buyers within your industry or network, expanding your reach and increasing your chances of finding the right buyer for your business share. Selling a small business share may seem daunting, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding endeavor. Remember to take your time, seek professional guidance when needed, and stay focused on your goals. Best of luck on your journey to selling your small business share.